Akiaria thutha wa mucemanio gatagati ka minista wa mahinya, minista wa ugitiri wa thiini undu umwe na nyitite mirohonge-ini rwa utambia wa thitima, minista wa ugitiri wa thiini ndagitari Matiangi nieranire gutigirira kirero kia mukenya na giakinya muthia iguru rigie marihi makiruku ma thitima. Arugamiriri wa kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya KPLC o ringi ni wikorire mwena wa kuorotwo, Minista Matiangi akimahe mukaana mururu iguru rigie guthararia uthuthuria uria wambikitwo kambuni-ini ino, kuri uria wothe kugeria guthoga mutaratara uyu erirwo kubutwo wira ona kana undu umwe na guikio ngono.
We are targeting significant changes in the cost of power and streamlining and bringing about greater efficiency in the manner in which these organizations work.
All stakeholders are on board and the ministry will take the lead in making sure that this implementation is done timeously.
Matiangi ningi ni athite arugamiriri wa kambuni ino kuruta wira na guteithaniriria na njira ciothe mari rungu rwa kamiti ya mwanya iria athugundirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi iria riu thikirwo kihoti gia gukinyaniria ripoti iria mathugundire.
It become necessary to do this so that as we say we address our strategic objectives in developing our country and ensuring that we address the challenges such as the cost of living, cost of doing business around and stuff like that.
The ministry itself, are there also sagas within the energy sector? That is Ketrako, that is the Relic, that is Giodamo, Kenjet. All of this is now going to be handled in such a manner that it has now become a government project.
Kurumirira watho uria waheanirwo wa kugiria kambuni ya Kenya Power gukinyaniria ngirimiti yothe na nyitite miangi, riu kambuni ino ni yathitwo gukinyaniria undu uyu kuria ngirimiti ciothe iria batarikanaga kwamba kugerera moko-ini ma kamiti ino ya mwanya.
We have begun a serious discussion on renegotiating these agreements with the intention of bringing down the tariffs and therefore of course bringing down the cost of power as it were.
Nayo kamiti ino ni yathitwo gukinyaniria wira wayo hatari kwenderera kana kuhithirira. Riu Minista Matiangi na murunawe wa mahinya Monica Juma makihoya kamiti ino kuhika moko wira-ini kuona mahetwo ihinda ria mieri 6. Haruni Akameme TV ritware